not Chrissy bringing y'all a cheap body wave bob from Shein. Not her doing it. Not her doing it.
Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Nothing could have made me believe. No one could have convinced me. Had to use my own 2 eyes to see. 'Cause always make you think you going crazy. Something in the way they lie, manipulation. No more patience. 'Cause there's a million things that I'd rather do than to be fishing for truth. Am I in the twilight zone? Or am I just a fool so wrong for loving you? But you forgot that I'm a shooter. Think I'll take 5 shots. 1 for the day that I learned I 2 for the bridges you burned I 3 for the chances you had, and 4 for the bitches you bagged, and 5 for never being sad. No, 1 for the trauma you caused. 2 for the number of draws I found. 3 for the promises made, and 4 for the way that you break them. 5 shots won't take no more. 5 shots won't take no more. Oh, you find it funny, lying straight through your teeth. That's your loss, it's not on me. 'Cause tonight I'm going out, work it out with a few dreams. 1 for the day that I learned I 2 for the bridges you burned I 3 for the chances you had, and 4 for the bitches you bagged, and 5 for never being sad. No, 1 for the trauma you caused. 2 for the number of draws I found. 3 for the promises made, and 4 for the way that you break them. 5 shots won't take no more.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. So y'all, let me give y'all a disclaimer, okay? We getting some rooms added to the house, so you may hear some hammering, you may hear some saws and all those things. Try to tune it out, I hope, because I'm using my other mic, the mic that's attached to my shirt, that maybe it will drown some of it out. But honey, I mean, work gotta continue, so let's keep it moving. Alright boo, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Shein. Shout out to you Shein for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that I am rocking is their transparent lace body wave bob. They have this unit in a 4x4, a 13x4, and the densities that they have available is 150, 180, and 200% density. Now I'm gonna keep it a whole book with y'all. I ain't got none of the details on this unit. I don't have any of the details. Like, I don't even think I knew that they were gonna send it to me, because they were initially saying like it was kind of out of stock and unavailable, and then they were like, all right girl, we got you. So I don't know, but that's what they have on the site, and it's available in 12 to 14 inches it looks like. It may be more. Nope, it's 10, 12, and 14. So you can get this unit in that, and they also have it available in a 4x4. Now honey, I ain't gonna hold you. If I knew it was available in a 4x4, I would have got the 4x4, because you know your girl love a closure. I live for a closure, but word, whatever. Let me see what else they have on here as far as the details and specs go with this wig. So they have on here that the color is black. It is Burmese hair, and honey, I have been hearing this Burmese, and I don't even know what Burmese is, girl. Is that a place? Like, I don't know what that is. You can perm, dye, or bleach this unit. They got on here gender, which I don't think there's a gender for wigs, but whatever, child. It's a lace front wig. It's a bob. It's a body wave. They said the lace color is dark brown. That ain't true. It's a human hair unit. So as far as the details and specs go, it says that it is a bob. I think it gives me more everyday unit, but it may just be the length that I have, and I do have a very short neck. So if you have a really long neck, it may give more bob, but my neck is short and fat, so no. But it's definitely giving me more every day. And like I said, I ain't got none of the details and specs on this, so girl, I'm freestyling. But as far as them saying that the lace color is dark brown, honey, them lies. The lace is very, I would say it's more so transparent in my opinion. Y'all let me know what you think. Whenever lace is brown, I don't mind brown lace, but a lot of times brown lace looks too dark on me. It's not that I'm super light, but I am more on the quote unquote light skin side. So a lot of times the darker lace, kind of, you can see it. This lace to me was given more so transparent, and I say that because once I applied my makeup and I put my makeup on the lace, you couldn't see the white part, and that's typically how my transparent lace works. But honey, I ain't nobody expert, so that's purely speculation on my part. Now as far as shedding and tangling goes with this unit, oh girl wasn't doing none of the things, but I wasn't expecting her to do any of the things because she this long. Usually when I have a body wave wig, it doesn't shed, especially if it's in a natural color. Now if I get it in like 613 or some sort of blonde, oh girl, gon' shed. Okay, I expect her to shed a little bit, but when it's in a natural color, it's a body wave wig, it's not like kinky hair, I don't expect it to shed. And oh girl didn't do any of the things, so shout out to you, Shein, for that, sis. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as details and space go. Now as far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is more so on the big head friendly side than not, but I am an average cap size, so girl, do with that what you want to do with that. So I don't know, I can only say what's going on with the head that's on my shoulders, okay? So do with that what you want to do with that. But anytime I have to adjust the straps, I deem a unit to be more so on the big head friendly side than not. Once again, do with that what you want to do with that. I can only speculate. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360, girl, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so we're gonna start with the cons because you know I like to end on a high note. The con with this unit is gonna be, for the people in the back, please say it with me, it's a 13 by 4. Okay, I personally, when it comes to 13 by 4s, I prefer a closure over a 13 by 4 because you typically would have to do a C part. As you guys can see, I did a C part, okay? And that's not for Chrissy, okay? I had to do the C part because, child, it just, you don't have enough room to do all that you want to do. So anytime I get a 13 by 4 unit, that's gonna be the con. Also with this unit, it could stand to be tweezed a little bit. It was tweezed though. It was tweezed. I ain't touch her. I ain't tie her. So it was tweezed a little bit, but it could stand to be tweezed a little more. But honey, oh girl, cheap. So you get what you pay for. So I ain't even really mad at that. I ain't really mad at that. Moving on to the pros. So as far as the pros go, like I said, oh girl, cheap. Okay, you can get this human hair bob wig, quote unquote, for under $100, and that's with the longest length. You know, it's way cheaper if you get the shortest length. And overall, y'all, like, I bleached the knots on this unit. I curled this wig multiple times because honey, I needed some tighter curls than what I was given the first time. And oh girl is alright. Oh girl is alright. So it's nice hair, it's affordable, it's a good everyday mom look, honey. Okay, I could wear this to some parent teacher conferences and things, like, so it's giving what it needs to be given. So in my opinion, those are all the pros with this unit. Yes, I would obviously recommend it. It's cheap. It's cheap and it's a cute little look that you can do extra things. If you wanted to even dye it honey blonde, you could do it, and it's cheap. Like Like, that's the biggest thing. There's a lot of synthetic wigs these days that cost the same as this wig. So you can't beat that with a stick. And girl, you know you be on Shein anyway. So you might well cop you a unit while you at it. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind I am 5'4", so wherever you see it sitting on me, if you're my height and you got a short neck, it's gonna be sitting on you too, sis. And this is it on the right side. So y'all, that is it for all the details and specs with this unit. Y'all let me know if y'all are feeling it as much as I am. What y'all think about this price point? Did you know Shein was coming? How's she coming? Girl, let me know down below in the comments. And if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Shein, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Every styles and weekly disastrous.